With Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event just around the corner, leaks about their upcoming Z series phones have been pouring in. This week, we got a massive leak thanks to an Australian retailer who accidentally posted renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 in every single color option. While these renders don't reveal any groundbreaking new features, they do give us a fantastic look at all the color choices you'll have for these phones. The bright yellow Z Flip 6 definitely steals the show, but all the other colors look really sharp too. Just like the Z Flip 5, the cover screen has black bezels around it. But this time around, Samsung seems to have added a colored ring around the camera lenses to match the phone's body color. It's a nice little detail that adds a touch of personality. The renders also give us a clear view of the Z Fold 6's sharper, more angular design. This new design gives the phone a more professional look, similar to the recently released Galaxy S24 Ultra, another thing it shares with the S24 Ultra. Rumors suggest a titanium frame, although that's not something you can pick out from these images. These new foldable phones are expected to go on sale sometime next month, following their official unveiling in Paris on July 10th. If you're already excited and want to secure yours early, some retailers are offering pre-orders with a bonus $50 credit. Now let's take a look at another leak we saw earlier this week. This leak also confirmed a July 10th launch date for the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6. The leak originated from an Australian retailer who accidentally posted product listings for both phones. These listings include a bunch of high-quality pictures showcasing all the different color options. The images confirm that both phones will have a design similar to the Galaxy S24 series, with a flatter, straight-cut edge replacing the previous rounded design. This is especially noticeable on the Z Fold 6, which has a much more angular look that echoes the Galaxy S24 Ultra. For the displays, the Flip 6 appears to have the same external screen as its predecessor. However, the bezels seem to have a bit more color this time around. Samsung is also introducing some exciting new color options, including a bright yellow for the Z Flip 6 and even a pink version for the Z Fold 6. Under the hood, both phones are expected to be packed with the latest tech. We're talking about the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, along with 12 gigabytes of RAM and a variety of storage options, including 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes for both phones. The Z Fold 6 might even come with a crazy 1 TB storage option. The Z Flip 6 gets a camera upgrade with a new 50 megapixel main sensor. The Z Fold 6 also gets a 50 megapixel main sensor, but it adds an ultra-wide sensor and a telephoto zoom lens for even more shooting versatility. Another big improvement for the Z Flip 6 is the battery. It's rumored to have a larger 4,000 mAh battery, which should significantly improve battery life. Of course, with all this cutting-edge tech, you can expect a premium price tag. The Z Fold 6 is expected to start around €1,899, while the Z Flip 6 is rumored to start at €1,099. We'll know all the official details for sure on July 10th when Samsung holds their big launch event in Paris. On top of the foldable phones, rumors suggest they might also unveil the Galaxy Ring, the Galaxy Watch 7 series with a new Watch Ultra model, and the next generation of Galaxy Buds, possibly called the Buds 3 Pro. So that's all the foldable phone leaks we have for you today. What do you guys think of the new colors and design? Are you excited about the rumored specs? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in pre-ordering the Z Flip 6 or Z Fold 6, as always, thanks for watching. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16 gigabytes RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GePs. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.